More than 50,000 professionals chose Formlabs 3D printers to develop many of the great products you use every day. Now they can push their work even further. Introducing the Form 3 and the Form 3L. We've redesigned the print engine to make a leap forward in reliability and print quality, using linear illumination and a flexible tank to turn liquid resin into flawless prints. We call this low-force stereolithography, an advanced form of stereolithography that balances high detail and high speed. Use your time more efficiently with a printer you can trust to deliver results. Easily add printers to keep up with demand, and take advantage of an ever-expanding range of functional materials for rigorous testing and production. Collaborate across teams and locations as your business grows by starting prints remotely and moving through a shared print queue. Low-force stereolithography was developed to scale. Now, easily print large, detailed parts in-house with the Form 3L. Whatever you're designing, wherever you're starting from, Formlabs.
Consumer class 3D printers have become a vital tool in people's lives. The Creality CR10 Smart with innovative modular design allows a 6-step assembly process. You can finish assembling within 8 minutes. The 4.3-inch full viewing angle touchscreen and the brand new UI. You can enjoy a hassle-free leveling process and instant printing after initial auto leveling is completed. With the Creality Cloud app, you can easily slice 3D models, remote control your printers, whenever and wherever with your phone. Elegant design inspired by supercars shows off the magical combination of aesthetics and technology. Print personal objects to show your love and add a bit of fun to life. Tweak your 3D printers and enjoy DIY upgrades to the fullest. The screen will dim when it's being inactive for 30 minutes to save power. Using Creality Cloud's remote control, you are always able to control your 3D printer, even when you're not physically present. The strengthened triangle structure turns a super stable platform into reality. Forget about the darkness. The built-in LEDs allow you to monitor the progress of your prints, even if the light in the room is off. Our patented quiet 32-bit motherboard, low-noise power supply, and highly efficient cooling fans ensure a silent 3D printing experience.
When the first Snapmaker was introduced, it raised over $2 million and connected over 10,000 users in an active community. With the new Snapmaker, we're bringing the next generation of advanced technology to this iconic design. The new Snapmaker is faster, smarter, larger, and more powerful than ever before. From 3D printing to laser engraving and cutting and CNC carving, it supports a wide variety of materials for limitless creativity. The components are made from high-strength metal. Anodizing converts the surface of the metal into a durable anodic oxide finish. Each process is strictly controlled. And due to the higher level of automation, both the quality and the speed of production have been significantly increased. Every part is meticulously made. In creating the new Snapmaker, we've taken the all-metal design to the next level. The new Snapmaker is modular, and it only takes a few steps to set up. Our software has greatly simplified the process of 3D printing, laser engraving, and CNC carving. You can also connect and control your Snapmaker via Wi-Fi or with the smart touchscreen. Snapmaker is more than just a series of machines. It's a system of powerful modules and add-ons for creative people like you. You can make an extra-large CNC router, a huge laser engraver, and even a 4-axis CNC machine. You can further enhance it by adding an IP camera, a hand wheel, an emergency stop button, an enclosure, and more. The new Snapmaker includes an automatic bed leveling feature that ensures you print on a level bed every time. The cooling system is redesigned to cool the print in the most efficient way possible. If the filament runs out, Snapmaker will pause and notify you to load new filament. It can also detect power loss and resumes exactly where it left off, so you can recover any project. To remove a print, simply lift the build plate and flex it. For laser cutting, it uses a specially designed aluminum grid table. Its built-in camera allows you to preview a design on any material or surface. What you see is what you get. It makes laser cutting as easy as drawing with a pen. It can convert your drawing into a vector image that can be edited directly in the software for laser engraving and cutting. It is 5 times faster than the original model. Whenever a new idea strikes, you'll be ready to turn it into reality. For CNC carving, it now features a fully upgraded CNC module and wasteboard. It supports over 100 carving and cutting bits by using the standard ER11 collet. Upgraded clamps provide a tighter hold. It has faster working speed, a larger step down, and fully enclosed linear modules. Bring your ideas to life and unlock your full creative potential with the new Snapmaker. It is the most advanced 3-in-1 3D printer we've ever created. Let's make something wonderful.
Your ingenuity, expand creativity, imagine new possibilities, and build the extraordinary with the new Pro 2 Series 3D printers from Raise 3D, forged from the award-winning legacy of N2. The Pro 2 boasts massive build volumes, so you can think bigger. Industrial-grade components for 24/7 reliability, ready to integrate print factories and build customized parts on demand. Electronic-driven dual extruders increase torque by 400% to feed a variety of spool sizes. With hot end temperatures capable of reaching 300 degrees Celsius for diverse filament compatibility. Choose from premium material options for maximum usability, strength, and flexibility. The Raise 3D Pro 2 features state-of-the-art retracting nozzles that print complex mechanical parts and improve print speed. The 32-bit motion controller has best-in-class reliability, superior thermal performance, precise voltage control, and silky smooth movement. Experience unmatched layer resolution for superior part quality. Effortless, dependable, and accurate, the Pro 2 comes standard with optical and stops. Filament runout sensors with resume. Live camera monitoring. And power loss with print resume for worry-free 3D printing. The HEPA air filtration system silently removes nanoparticles within a fully enclosed environment. An aerospace-grade high-temperature build plate system delivers even heat distribution to prevent print warping and is easy to remove and replace. Digitally interact, adjust, and control with the Pro 2's onboard computer. Easily monitor print progress and fully customize on the fly through the large 7-inch touchscreen. Import, slice, and print with the powerful and easy-to-use IdeaMaker slicing software. Wirelessly connect to the Pro 2 Series 3D printer to upload files and monitor print functions, or download files directly from USB or Ethernet ports. This is the new Pro 2 Series from Raise 3D, forever changing the face of design, engineering, and manufacturing. Visit www.raise3d.com to discover all the ways the new Pro 2 Series can inspire your ingenuity, expand your creativity, and help you build the extraordinary.
My name is Tyler, and today I will be showing you the latest version of our best-selling 3D printer, the Monoprice Select Mini Pro. From its previous model, there have been a number of changes, a number of improvements that have helped to assist you in your overall experience with this unit. One of which is a removable heat bed to help make replacing the build surface and removing your projects much easier. Other features would include a new heated bed which routes the ribbon cables from its own separate heating plate away from any of the moving parts, an LCD touchscreen to help eliminate the need for a control knob, an all-aluminum body, making it ultra lightweight, easy to move, and better looking, as well as an inductive sensor to help with auto bed leveling. Furthermore, the printer is now featuring the ability to adjust the Z height on the fly. So, if you're in the middle of a print, you will be able to adjust the height of the nozzle if you feel that it is offset a bit too high or too low in the middle of the print. Out of the box, the unit is ready to print. You will just want to run the new auto leveling function first to do so. Plug in the unit and navigate to the Move menu where you will have all of the axis move functions. In the Z-axis menu, there is a center sub-menu to access the auto bed leveling settings. This will display the currently set Z-axis offset, which out of the box should not need to be modified. At the bottom of the menu will have a button to initiate auto bed leveling, and the unit will be checking all four corners using the inductive sensors to calculate the distance between the nozzle and the bed. It then stores the information in the bed memory. Congratulations, you're ready to print. We hope you enjoy the printer. I'm Tyler with Monoprice, and I thank you for watching. Don't forget to check out monoprice.com for more 3D printing products and support if you do need it.